What's up guys, Russell from Lalovich Real Estate here. We're out at our new office at 11865 Tecumseh, and we're gonna show you some progress of our construction. Let's check out our crib. So here's our space. I'm gonna walk you through our layout of what we're doing. We're gonna walk in the front door there, there's a little entranceway. This is gonna be a big glass boardroom. And then we're gonna have 3 offices here. Josh is already comfortable in his new office, ready to move in. As we walk back here, this is gonna be an open lounge with a full L-shaped kitchen, TV, all that good stuff, and then bathroom at the back here. So everything that we need to run our real estate office. Okay, so here we are on the outside. I want to walk you through some of what we're doing on the exterior of the building. So on this west-facing wall, we're doing concrete paneling. It'll be very sharp, kind of wraps around. We have an elevation here, which is going to be kind of a wood-looking siding. And then the signage is going to be kind of a dark gray stucco. And then the front facade, again, will have some concrete paneling, more stucco, and then as you see, our black windows. New parking lot, new pylon sign, new roof, new HVACs, basically a brand new building. So here we are on the other side. As you see, we have a blank canvas. So your imagination is key and we can finish it in any way you need.
Oh, hey, by the way, we're still looking for a tenant, so if you need about 1,500 square feet and you want to be our neighbor, then give us a call.